welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a tour of the New York here in Las Vegas. I have never stayed at this hotel before. I've barely even been in it, so I was really curious. I decided to stay here for a few days and walk around and see all that this hotel has to offer. I am an M Life Rewards member, and so I had some comped room offers available to take advantage of, and so that's why I decided to come here. I'm not at like an extremely high level. I'm just a Sapphire level, and so I do have resort fees. So this stay is not 100% free, but hey, discount is good enough for me. Now keep in mind, because of the pandemic and everything going on, not all things are open. Actually, just recently, prior to me staying here, the governor of Nevada shut down bars again. So there's no bars open on this property. But yeah, I haven't like walked around. I haven't really seen what's available, so we're all gonna be seeing it at the same time. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. We're gonna go ahead and start with a room tour like last time, so let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so when you first walk in, there's like an empty space for no reason. No, I'm just kidding. And so straight away to the right is the bathroom. We'll go ahead and turn this, we'll go ahead and turn this on. So pretty nice marble flooring, but this one's a lot more simple. It's a standard room, it's not a suite. So we got the bathroom, and the shower, nice long mirror, and just the room. And desk area, some nightstands, some wardrobes. Sitting area. And it's nighttime right now. Okay, so we got view of the T-Mobile Arena. Let's see if I can get this to focus better so you cannot see my reflection. Okay, there we go. So we have the window's dirty. We have a view of the T-Mobile Arena and the park. You can't really get without thinking, right? And then the park and GM. Breakfast for room service, because there's no breakfast places downstairs open. Let's open it up and take a look. It's like a nice, plastic, it's cute. Anyways, I'm starving, so let's eat. The casino here is basically a circle. We have all the games and tables on the floor, and then restaurants and shops surround it. up at the top near the Hershey's World, and it's pretty dead. Like the Coyote Ugly Bar, a lot of those places are not open. And now we're back at the village where we started. The pool was a bit on the smaller side compared to others I've seen, but it definitely was still nice and relaxing. Sorry about this portion. I wasn't actually allowed to film in here, so it was literally sneak footage. I was so nervous to drop my camera, guys. And that's basically what I was saying right there. It was hard to shoot all this, so I tried to find the best clips I could. Okay guys, so that is it for the hotel tour. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. Sorry for the lighting, but the hotel itself, like the casino floor, is just dimly lit. It was actually quite hard to get some footage that looked, you know, relatively decent so you guys could see what's going on. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. This is definitely something that I'm going to continue doing. There'll be a full-on hotel series on my channel, so just keep a lookout for that. If you haven't already, go watch the review and tour that I did on the M. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. And until next time, guys, much love.